Alright, so students, today we will learn about arithmetic mean. Let's see, we have two numbers A and B. Now, between these numbers, I want to insert one more number A in such a way that the resulting three numbers are in arithmetic progression. So, such a number A is known as arithmetic mean. So, another way you can say, let's say A and B are the two numbers we have already imagined. So, resulting arithmetic progression would be A, and B. Now, this is in AP, so the common difference would be same. I could say A minus A is equal to B minus A because I know common difference D is equal to A n minus A n minus 1. Right. So from this, I can write 2A is equal to A plus B, or A is the average of A and B, A plus B by 2. So now guys, we have successfully inserted one number between two numbers so that the resulting three numbers are in arithmetic progression. It's like if we have 10 and 20. So somebody asks us to insert one number in between them so that all the three are in arithmetic progression. So that number A would be, I know, 15. So that 10, 15, and 20 are in AP. So guys, always we don't want to insert one number. We want to insert more numbers. Now, how can we do that? Now, we want to insert the numbers between two numbers A and B so that even after inserting all the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, n numbers, the resulting sequence should be arithmetic progression. So how can we do that? How can we find a general formula for this? So students, let's imagine A and B are two numbers. Between A and B, we want to insert A1, A2, A3 till AN. So we want to basically insert n numbers between A and B. Between A and B. We want to insert n numbers between A and B. We want to make sure that all the numbers are in AP. Now see students, the resulting arithmetic progression would be A, A1, A2, A3, then A1, and last number would be B. And this is in AP. And if this is in AP, so the common difference between two successive terms should be same. Now, the interesting thing is students, A is our which term, Ishma? A is our first term. And A1 is our, yes Ishma? A1 is our
second term.
Beautiful. A1 is second term. Arjinder, A2 is which term? A2 is third term. Just notice students, A2 but third term. Similarly, A3 is my fourth term. Now, if AN is my fourth term, students, what about AN? AN is which term? Ishma? AN would be which term?
Second last term.
But let's go from front. AN is n plus 1th term. Am I right? Like you said, the A3 is 3, fourth term. A2 is 2, third term. So AN will be Ishma, n plus 1th term. So in this way, we can say that B is which term? AN is n plus 1th term. So B would be which term? N
Nth
plus
term.
what? B would be N plus 2th term. Is it right? This is N plus 1th. So what will be next term? N plus 1 plus 1, N plus 2th term. Is it right? B is N plus 2th term. Very good. Students, we know the formula for nth term in an AP. It is A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it right, students? Is it right? Yes. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. So we can say that B is my n plus 2th term. So according to this formula, it would be A plus n plus 2 minus 1 into D. So we can say that B is equal to, so students, B would be A plus, this is n plus 1 into D. So see that, students, you could write here n plus 1 into D would be equal to B minus A. So what is D? It's very important. B minus A divided by n plus 1. So we got the definition for common difference in terms of n. What is this n, students? N is number of terms which we have inserted between A and B. Say Ishma again. What is n here? N is
Number of terms
terms
which we have inserted between A and B.
A and B. Beautiful. That's great. And that common difference is B minus A divided by n plus 1 always. Now, students, very interesting. Suppose, based upon this, somebody says between A and B, you insert 3 terms. Then what we will do? We will basically, we want to find A1, A2 and A3. Am I right? So A1 will be, this A1 will be second term in that AP resulting AB, if I'm right. Am I right, Ishma? The resulting AP
Yes, sir.
A, A1, A2, A3 and last term will be
B.
B. Beautiful. Between A and B, you have inserted 3 terms. So A1 is the second term. Am I right? In that AP, A1 is the second term. Am I right, Ishma?
Yes,
The first
sir.
term is A, A1 is second term, A2 is third term, A3 is fourth term, and B is fifth term. Fifth term. Now total number of terms are 5. Suppose you have inserted 10 terms between A and B. So total number of terms in that AP will be 12. Very simple. So A1, Ishma, would be the second term in an AP is always A, first term plus what?
D.
Beautiful. So, but D is, already we know, B minus A divided by, say that, n plus 1.
N plus 1.
Beautiful. What will be A2? Second term. Second term will be A plus 2D. Beautiful. So it will be A plus 2 into, say that, B minus 1 divided by n plus 1. And Ishma, what will be A3? First term divide plus, tell me.
3D.
3D. See, you students might get confused that third term 2 should come here, but actually it is fourth term. That's why 3 is coming here. So this is equal to A plus 3 into, please say that,
B minus A
divided by,
upon N plus 1.
oh, that's wonderful. That's really great. Beautiful. So this is how, now student Ishma, what will be the nth term? An, oh sorry, not nth term.
A
Sorry.
plus ND.
It's An. So An would be A plus n into,
ND. D.
beautiful, you're very right. And into B minus A divided by n plus 1. Perfectly right, understood. Okay, so now based upon this, we'll do a sum. Am I right? Let's do a sum. So which sum we are doing? He says, insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that resulting sequence is an AP. So what is my A and B? My A and B is 8 and 26. Am I right? My A and B is 8 and 26. In this, how many terms I want to insert? A1, A2 till A5. So what will be total number of terms? Total number of terms will be 7 terms. Right. So students, now can you tell me what will be A1? So A1 will be A plus D. So before going further, we should calculate the value for D. So D is, Ishma, tell me the formula.
B minus A upon N plus 1.
So please calculate D. Both of you, calculate D. Don't see here, calculate your D. So it will be B minus A. 26 minus 8. Now again, student, I'm asking you a question. What is N? N is not total number of
5.
terms in the AP. N is how many terms you have what you have inserted between A and B. Perfectly right. So what is the value for A? Sorry, N. N is 5.
5.
5 plus 1 is 6. So this is equal to 26 minus 8 is how much? 18 by 6 is 3. So
D is
what will be?
equal to 2.
No. D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. 18 by 6 is 3. Is it right?
Yes,
Go
sir.
further. Now A1 will be A plus D. So that is equal to 8 plus 3, 11. So what will be A2? That is equal to A plus 2D. So this is equal to A plus 3 to the 6. That is 14. And now we got the knack now after 3. So A3 would be, we can simply write 17. A4 will be plus 3. Please tell me 20. And Ishma, what will be fifth term? A5. What will be A5?
23.
23. And the last term or the 7th term of the AP would be B. And that is 20. Tell me.
6.
26. So you see, here I said wrong. A5 is not 5th term. It is 5th number. 5th number which has been inserted between A and B, that is 8 and 26. So let's see whether the resulting thing is AP. Let's see, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. Yes, it's a perfect AP with common difference of D is equal to 3, first term 8 and last term 26. Perfectly understood, students? Perfectly understood?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Let's go further. Now he says, between 1 and 31, M numbers have been inserted. Ishma, please read it. Fan.
Between 1 and 31, M numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP. And the ratio of 7th and M minus 1th term numbers is 5:9. Find the value of M.
Okay, so please see, students, here what is our A and B? 1 and 31. This is my A and this is my B. Between A and B, how many terms have been inserted?
M.
You can say M terms or M numbers. Am I right? So what will be the total number of terms in the AP? Resulting AP? It will be M plus 2 terms in the resulting AP. Am I right, student? Now, can you find out D as per the formula? What is the formula? D is B minus divided by n plus 1. Now, this is equal to what is B? 31 minus what is A? 1. What is the value for n? N is total number of terms which have been inserted between two numbers. Correct. Beautiful. So what the value for n is m. It becomes m plus 1. Am I right, Ishma? So this is 30
Yes,
divided
sir.
by m plus 1. Beautiful. We got the value for D. It's such a simple question. Now he says, now there can be a confusion normally students make. You see, he says, these are the numbers 1 and 31. Between these terms, these are the terms, were numbers. M numbers have been inserted in such a way that resulting sequence is an AP. The ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number. So basically, he's not talking about 7th number of AP. He is talking about 7th number from here. Let's say first number is X, then Y, then Z. So 7th number is like that 7th number. This is first number, second number, third number. Ishma, you understood? From here, 7th
Yes,
number.
sir.
So in the AP, it will be 8th number, 8th term. So 7th number and m minus 1th number. So this is the thing. So he says ratio of 7th number to m minus 1th number is equal to 5 by 9. Can you tell me how can I write the expression for these two?
A plus
A plus, yes, A plus
7D.
Beautiful. A plus 7D. Let me ask Arjinder,
Up.
what will be this? This will be A plus, what will be mth number? Let's go back. Don't worry. See students. One second. See. What is the first number, Arjinder? First number is the second term and that is equal to, first number was equal to, tell me, A plus D. What was third number? A plus 3D. What was nth number? A plus ND. Am I right? So based upon this, please tell me. One second. You see, yeah. So Ishma, what will be m minus 1th number? A plus
M minus 1D.
Perfectly right. M minus 1 D. This is equal to 5 by 9. Am I right? Am I
Yes,
right,
sir.
students? Beautiful. So now what is A? A is first number. First term. A is 1. Perfectly right. And what is D? We know the value for D. D is 30 by. Beautiful. I think you're doing good today. Okay? So A is 1. Am I right? 1 plus 7 into, tell me the value for D. 30 into m plus 1. Right? Divided by 1 plus, again, what is the value for m? Oh, sorry. This is D. Let's put value for D first. D is 30 into m plus 1. Right? This is D into m minus 1. Is it right? Is it right, students? Ishma, is it right?
Yes, sir.
A plus 7D. Then 1 plus m minus 1 D is equal to 5 by 9. Please solve this. So it will be, let's take m minus 1 as the LCM. So it becomes m plus 1 is MCM. M plus 1 plus, what is 7 into 30? 210. Am I right? Again, here you take m plus 1 as LCM. So it becomes m plus 1 instead of 1. Then plus m minus 1 into 30. Am I right? is equal to 5 by 9 because m plus 1, m plus 1 both are in denominators, they will cancel. Is it right, students? Have you understood till now? M plus 1 plus 210, m plus 1 plus 30 into m minus 1 is 5 by 9. So we can write here m plus 211 divided by, now what is this? This is m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30 when you multiply this, right? So m plus 1, so it's like 30m minus 30. So this becomes m plus 31m, 30m is 31m, and then 1 and minus 30 is equal to, correct, minus 29. Beautiful. Is equal to 5 by 9. Am I right, students? So please write down this. M plus 211 divided by 31m minus 29 is equal to 5 by m. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this. Just give me 1 minute. Just 1 second. Yes, so I'm going to go further. Okay, so I get, so please multiply all this with 9 and multiply all this with 5. So you get 9m, cross multiply, I mean to say 9m plus here 9 to the 18 is equal to 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 is 15m minus 29 into 5 is how much? 29 into 5 is 5.
145.
Sure, 145. Thank you. Good. That's good. So can we solve this further? Is it right? Nm plus, correct. So this is like, we can write 18, please add 1899 plus 145 is equal to 155m minus 9. How much that will be? 155 minus 9. Students, tell me. 155 minus 9, how much?
146.
146m is equal to 1899 plus 145. Please add them. 1899.
2044.
So this is correct. So this is 2044 is equal to 146m. So what is m is equal to? 2044 divided by 146. So let's divide this, maybe, you know, by 2. So 73. And this is 10. So maybe if you further divide 1022 by 73, 73. How much is this? This will be right. 2. Am I right? 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10.
14.
Correct. So this is
4.
Oh, wow, beautiful. So this is 292. All right, God helped us. So 71, 73, 1s are 73, 73, 14s are this. So great, Ishma. Thank you very much. M is equal to 14. You can check, is it right answer or not? Maybe right, huh? Okay. So let's do a last sum and then we'll finish. We still have 5 more minutes. Shall we do last one more sum? We should do.
Yes, sir.
He says, Ishma, difference between two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degrees. So see, polygon is basically number of sides, you know, n sides, any sides, you know. I don't know how many sides. So it has so many angles, you know, polygon. Maybe I've drawn it wrongly, I'm sorry. Polygon. So it says like difference between two consecutive interior angle is 5 degree. So that means between every two interior angle, the difference is 5 degree. So common sense says this is common difference, D. Is it right? And smallest angle is
Yes,
120.
sir.
The smallest angle means the first term is 120 because all the terms will be more than this. So second term will be like 120 plus 5. What will be third term? 120 plus 10. Fourth term will be 120 plus 15. Am I right? So what is our AP basically? By this, we can understand what will be our AP. First term is 120. Second term is, please tell me Ishma, 125. Then
125,
130.
130.
Okay. And what will be the last term? We don't know what is last term. Okay. But we know that if it is a triangle polygon, the the total number of the sum of the angle, sum of the interior angle is 180. So how does it come? There's a formula. The sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is 180, if you remember, into n plus 2. You can verify for a uh, for a chaturbhuj. For a quadrilateral, four sides, 180 into 4 minus 2 is 2 is equal to 360. Correct. We know that one quadrilateral becomes like split into two triangles, 180 into 2, 360 degree, right? So this is quadrilateral. Find number of sides. So we imagine that it has how many sides? N sides. So what will be the total of all the angles? It will be same, 180 into n minus 2. Am I right, Ishma? Total of all the
Yes,
angles
sir.
will be this. But we also have, according to AP, we have the formula like Sn, right? Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is equal to this. This is total number of total of all the angles. This is also total of all the angles. So we can say n by 2 into 2a. What is 2a? It's 240. It's 2 into a plus n minus 1. We don't know what is number of sides into d. What is d? D is 5 degree. Is equal to 180 into n minus 2. Am I right, Ishma?
Yes, sir.
See, n by 2, the 2a. A is, this is a. 120 to 40 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 5 degree. So that's all. You done it. So it's like you do n into 240 plus this is like 5n. I'm sorry, this is 240n. 5n becomes 5n square, right? Minus 5. So again, minus 5n is equal to 2 into 180 is 360. So this is 360n minus, please tell me. So it will be 180 into 2 is 360. 360 into 2 is how much? I think 720. Am I right? 180 into 2 is 360 into 2 is 720. Correct. This is right. So just check this is right or wrong we have done. So the n multiplied by 240n plus 5n square and then minus 5n. Correct. It's correct. So we've already multiplied by n. There shouldn't be any n here. Is it okay now, Ishma? We've
Yes,
already
sir.
multiplied by n. Is it right? 240n plus 5n. So it's 5n square minus 5 into n minus 5. This is perfect. So it becomes 5n square. Now 240n minus 360n. How much? No. 240n minus 5. 240 minus 5 is 235 and then minus 360. Right? So it becomes 5 and then 2 and then 1. Is it right? 125? Is it right, students? So this is like 125. So it will be minus 125n. Now this is equal to plus 720 is equal to 0. Student, is this right? Just see. So we're going to divide everything by n. I'm sorry, 5. So it becomes n squared minus 25n plus 1. 5 to 124 is equal to 0. Jesse, students, is it right? Please say.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that's good. So, all right, it's really great. Yes, students, you see that bit of mistake here. This is 144, not 124. 5 ones are 5, 2, 22, 5 fours are 20, 2, 44. So now we're gonna what? We're gonna divide 144 into factors like it's 72 into 2, 9 eights are 72 into 2, so it's 9 twos are 9 eights 72 into 2, correct. So 8 twos are 16 and 9, so we got it. So the factors of 144 will be minus 16 and minus 9. So we get 9 square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 is equal to 0. Am I right, Ishma? We take n as common, n minus 16. Take minus n common, n minus 16 is equal to 0. So you get n minus 16 into n minus 9 is equal to 0. So guys, n is either 9 or 16. We got the answer. So the polygon may be having 9 sides or the polygon may be having 16 sides. You can verify the difference of the angle will always be 5 degree, right? So students, it's really wonderful doing all the sums. And suppose there are 9 sides, what will be the sum of total angles? It will be 180 into 9 minus 2 is 7. So it will be 0, 6, 1260 degree. This will be the sum of all the angles in case we take 9 as sides. In case you take 16 as sides, so it will be still further. So students, wait for the next video, share with your friends, and enjoy yourself. Don't fear the exam. Fear only one thing. Fear that you have not learned the concept. If your concept is solid, you can clear any exam. You need not worry. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Stay happy.